You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. A Canadian singer and musician. If you want to learn more confusing names, including music celebrities, stay tuned. I've got many more confusing ones that you're going to learn a ton from. It's essentially from French, a combination of the word avenue, which is avenue, and noir, which is French for black. So French pronunciation would be Avenoir, Avenoir, Avenoir. Therefore, in English, you can say it as Avenoir, Avenoir. It's easy, Avenoir, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.